Of course, I was very प्रभावित with Dr. Vijay Mallya. He was very classy. हम सबके career बने because of the Kingfisher calendar.
Yeah.
A lot of actresses like
Yes.
famous way from the calendar, whether it's Deepika Padukone or Katrina Kaif.
क्योंकि बहुत बात होती है, you know, mental health and you know
Yes.
women prioritizing themselves, girls, you know, getting into self love and जितना मैं आपको शायद reality show से जानती हूँ, you are all of that, you know. आप बहुत जल्दी डिटैच हो जाते हो अगर कोई आपको बॉदर कर रहा है एंड करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, यू नो, यू आर इनटू सेल्फ केयर आल्सो एंड क्लियरली अगर आप हाइजीन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू आर इनटू सेल्फ लव क्योंकि आप जानते हो आपकी वर्थ क्या है और इसीलिए हाइजीन इंपॉर्टेंट है. How early on did you crack all of this in life? क्योंकि you're working in this industry since a very very long time. तो ये सब कुछ हुआ इंडस्ट्री में बाद आने के बाद जब आप एक्टर मॉडल एक फेमस फेस बन गई थी कि या पहले से ही आप ऐसे थे?
नहीं, पहले मैं ऐसे नहीं थी. When you were a kid, really?
Yeah.
ये पता है कब शुरू हुआ? When I did Kingfisher calendar. When I met all the pioneers, I met Dr. Vijay Mallya. You know, he's somebody with class. Like very, very happening parties.
Yeah.
Then Atul Kasbekar, again a very like, you know, ace photographer, very good looking man.
Yeah.
फिर यू नो तभी जितने भी टॉप के लोग थे, जितने भी फैशन इंडस्ट्री के जितने भी थे, यू नो उन्हें देख के ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज वेरी प्रभावित विद डॉक्टर विजय माल्या. ही वाज वेरी क्लासी.
Yeah, he has that personality. अभी मैंने उनका पॉडकास्ट देखा था recently and I was like amazing. He's still
You should have seen him back then.
Wow.
He was like somebody with class, very generous, very like strong presence, strong personality, and very giving. And like, you know, didn't care much.
Yeah.
Like जो बोला कर दिया. He'll be like अच्छा और क्या what's next, what's next. And yeah, हम सबके career बने because of the Kingfisher calendar.
Yeah.
A great platform and कितने सारे you know lot of actresses like famous way from the calendar, whether it's Deepika Padukone or Katrina Kaif or Yana Gupta, like so
It was a thing to be the Kingfisher calendar girl.
Correct.
You had that in your scope of work right now. तो ये तब से शुरू हुआ in short.
So you know that's the time because of course it's a bikini calendar.
Correct.
Or you know you have to take care. So when I was part of Kingfisher calendar, हमें 3 महीना पहले तो फिटनेस, स्किन केयर सबकी ट्रेनिंग दी गई. हमें जिम था उनके तरफ से. बाल का ख्याल रखना है, स्किन का ख्याल रखना है, क्या खाना है, कैसे रहना है, कैसे बात करना है, हाउ टू लुक परफेक्ट, हाउ टू लुक हॉट. So yeah, that's how you know things started. और मुझे तभी पता चला कि and I was chubby that time.
Nobody can say ना.
Yeah, I had like सब baby fat था. लेकिन 3 महीने में सब खत्म हो गया. Yeah, because I went to the best trainer. And of course it was through Dr. Vijay Mallya only. So he used to really take care of everyone and everything. और उनका you know personally he used to look into it.
Right.
So yeah, the class came from there. And पता चला कि you know क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी है, कैसे ध्यान रखना है. And you should always prioritize yourself.
Yeah, amazing and so well said. And I can see कि आपने वो maintain किया है अभी तक क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री में survive करना is a tough one and
But
I'm
it's
sure
in the
you know
family
it.
also.
Yeah, it's like all of you. No, of course you all are very pretty in the family. You, your sister, your mom,
Even
I'm
like
sure.
my nieces are 20, like you know,
Wow.
20 कितने 20 साल के हैं.
हाँ.
And they all are like, but माए भी वैसी ही है.
आप लोग की जो महाराष्ट्रन जीन्स है ना वो एकदम ढासू होंगी इसलिए ये चल
And like
रहा है
everyone
best.
tall. Like you know, I'm the shortest in the family.
You are the shortest in the family.
I'm shortest.
Oh my god, अगर मैं यहाँ पर मैं अभी खड़े रहेंगे you know where I am.
You know, my mom is 5'8" and dad is 6'2".
Wow.
And my sisters like Ujjwala is 5'11". My other sisters like one is 5'10", one is 5'9", and again 5'10".
Wow, crazy.
And nieces also 5'11".
5'11".
So
सब लंबे हैं आपके
only I'm 5'7", and I feel like I'm the shortest.
Oh my goodness, crazy.